Beaver builders, watch these ingenious rodents create their watery world.
Did you know? Beavers wear nature's goggles underwater. Marvel at beavers, nature's architects of vibrant freshwater worlds. Discover beaver beauty, waterproof fur, web feet, perfect for craft. Beavers thrive on a forest feast, sculpting nature with each bite. Witness nocturnal builders, beavers, crafting homes under moonlit skies. Beavers, architects sustaining lush ecosystems, fostering biodiversity and renewal. Beavers endure, protecting legacies of resilience and ecological harmony. Beavers, icons of tradition, innovation, and environmental harmony.